Alright, I'm coming back at you with another tool from suppressortools.com. This is a Vise block for a Glock. And in this video I'm going to show how I changed out the trigger from a stock trigger to a Glock performance trigger. It's pretty easy. Put the Glock on the block, it locks in place. Then I need to take the slide off. And I push down the slide lock there on both sides. Let the slide go forward. Then pull the trigger to release the slide from the frame. Next, I'm going to push out the trigger pin. Next, I'm going to push out the trigger housing pin in the back there. Bring that guy back there before I lose it. Take out the locking block. The ambidextrous slide catch. Then I pull out the stock trigger. Then replace it with the Glock performance trigger. Push that in all the way. Then I'm going to install everything back in reverse order. So the ambi slide lock. The locking block. Put the trigger pin in. Make sure I get everything lined up. And push it through. Then put the trigger housing pin in the back end. And that's how easy it is to remove and replace your trigger in a Glock. Now this Glock 17 is a Gen 5 MOS, so previous generations have maybe a couple more parts in them. Then I'm going to put the slide on, and for me it's easier to take it off the block. I can get better leverage. Rack it. Now I'll do a function check on the performance trigger I just installed, and we're good to go.